Hi, this is Kanaya, and today we'll be going over greenhouse effect objective. So in this video, we're going to explain what is the greenhouse effect, the importance of the greenhouse effect, greenhouse gases, and where do all these gases come from? Global warming, human health, ecological system, sea level rise, crops and food supplies, and climate change. So let's go on to the next slide. What is the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is the rise in temperature that the Earth experiences because certain gases in the atmosphere traps heat from the sun's ray. Sunshine enters the Earth's atmosphere, passing through the blanket of greenhouse gases. CO2 and other greenhouse gases traps heat in the Earth's atmosphere. The importance of greenhouse effect. Without the greenhouse effect, the Earth would not be warm enough for humans to live. But if the greenhouse effect becomes stronger, it could make the Earth warmer than usual. Even a little warming causes problems for plants and animals. Greenhouse gases. Few greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, water vapor, and nitrous oxide, and CFCs. Where do all these gases come from? So all these gases come from burning fossil fuels and wood, widespread use of fertilizer, produced by bacteria living in swampy areas, waste and landfills, in air, aerosol sprays, making foam packaging, coolants and fridge and air cons, etc. Global warming. Even a small increase in temperature over a long time can change the climate. The average global temperature has increased by almost 1 degree Fahrenheit over the past century. Scientists expect the increase an additional 2 degrees to 6 degrees Fahrenheit over the next 100 years. When the climate changes, there may be big changes in the things that people depend on. It is important to understand that scientists don't know for sure what global warming will bring. Some changes may be good if you want, example, if you want to live in a very cool climate, warmer temperature might be welcome. Changes in some places would not be good at all. Human health, ecological system, plants and animals, sea level rise, crops and food supply. Human health, heat stress and other heat-related health problems are caused directly by very warm temperatures and high humidity. Heat stress, a variety of problems associated with very warm temperatures and high humidity. Heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Ecological system, plants and animals, climate change may alter the world's habits. All living things are included in and rely on these places. Most past climate changes occur slowly, allowing plants and animals to adapt to the new environment or move someplace else. Plants and animals would not be able to react quickly enough to survive if future climate changes occurred as rapidly as scientists predict. Sea level rise. Global warming may make the sea level become higher. Why? Warmer weather makes glaciers melt. Melting glaciers add more water to the ocean. Warmer weather also makes the water expand. When the water expands in the ocean, it takes up more space, and the level of the level of the sea rises. Crops and food supplies. Global warming may make the earth warmer in cold places. People living in these areas may have to change to grow crops in new areas, but global warming might bring lax to other places where we grow crops. Climate change. Global warming will lead to an increase in the evaporation of water, more water vapor. With more water vapor, more rainfall is expected, but it is not evenly distributed. Dry areas, serene lack conditions, water shortage, and heat wave occurs. Wet areas is floods, floods, and ever in floods and avalanches. Other problems may arise. Destroyed food crops, rice, wheat, and corn. Affected animals need to migrate. Discouraged growth of weed and pests may lead to disease like dengue fever. And cholera, which are deadly. What can we do about it? There are many little things that we can do to make a difference to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases that we put into the atmosphere. Many greenhouse gases comes from things we do every day. Driving a car or use electricity is not wrong. We just have to be smart. Examples: try carpooling. Summary: environmental crisis will affect us. Health: air pollution, in, uh, asthma or other respiratory problems. Water pollution poisons our food source, e.g. fish. Destruction of forests, loss of possible medical solutions. Property, floods, property theft, property loss. Pollution destroys streets and beaches. Soil erosion, desertification, loss of farmlands. Environmental crisis will affect us. Economic causes, loss in terms of monetary values, of lost in terms
So, you're gonna buy the car? Please. If I could just go home and discuss things with my wife.
Monetary.
lost in terms of monetary value, industry, and businesses. Money needs to be spent to restore the original. Public health service need to be provided by the government. references. So you could go to these references more about global warming and greenhouse gases if you want. You can tap on these links. So the reference is the greenhouse effect. So you can go in, so these are the links that you can find out more. So if you want to find out more about greenhouse effects or greenhouse, so you can click on Wikipedia, or you can put www.share, that's, or you can go to YouTube to watch the video. So now, thank you. So hopefully you like this video. So any more questions or comments, let me know. So hopefully you like this video. Thank you.